Reebok is pushing forward in its basketball revival with the launch of the Engine Moonstone, a sleek black and white sneaker debuting on September 5 for $120. Serving as a build-up to the highly awaited Angel Reese 1, the model reflects Reebok's ongoing efforts to reclaim its hoops presence under the guidance of icons Allen Iverson and Shaquille O'Neal. Unlike past releases featuring metallics and bold gradients, this edition highlights a clean balance with a sharp synthetic cage at the toe. Beyond its style appeal, the sneaker is engineered with ERS cushioning and SuperFloat technology to support explosive moves on the court. Having already rolled out 5 distinct colorways, the Engine is steadily carving its identity as both a performance-ready and fashion-forward option. The Moonstone represents a strategic step in strengthening Reebok's modern basketball portfolio while capturing player and fan attention.